In this video I will walk you through the Westmonth mattress topper review to see how it stacks up against standard bedding options. When comparing various toppers, the most significant contrast is in the density. While typical retail pads usually fall between 300 and 500 GSM, Westmonth offers an ultra-thick 1000 GSM padding. This choice represents a major trade-off for those who want a plush feel without the common heat trap found in memory foam alternatives. The Westmonth design uses a breathable quilted construction specifically built for temperature regulation, which is a standout feature if you tend to sleep hot. A key comparison point here is the fit. Whereas many cheap toppers bunch up or slip, this model features deep pockets that accommodate mattresses from 8 to 21 inches, ensuring it stays locked in place. The manufacturer positions this as a cost-effective way to get hotel-quality sleep at home without spending $2,000 on a brand new mattress. They even back this up with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is a nice safety net if you are worried about the thickness. With over 100,000 reviews, it seems to be helping many users wake up pain-free. If you are looking for that extra layer of comfort and want to avoid the flattening issues associated with thinner pads, this high-density option might be the winner for your bedroom setup. Thank you so much for watching my review. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more bedding insights, or drop a comment below, telling me what you look for in a topper.